Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Cullum Costello. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about a stock that I recently just purchased. The name of the stock is Eat Beyond Global Holdings, ticker symbol EATBF. For those of you that wanted to get in on very good food company and missed out on it, well, they bought their IPO at 25 cents. So stick around, you guys, and see if this is one that you might want to get invested in. Now, this is a riskier play being a penny stock, so keep in mind I am not a financial advisor and these are for fun and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Eat Beyond, innovative investments, managed assets, food opportunity for the culinary investor. The first of its kind, Eat Beyond Global is an innovative platform that provides access to the very best companies providing alternative food sources around the globe. Eat Beyond invests in innovation, focusing on growing the alternative protein industry, addressing the global demand for food security through the efficient creation of animal-free protein. Deliver access to this dynamic areas of the food industry through quality deals as a result of early mover advantage and unparalleled sourcing skills. Eat Beyond's target, medium-term unlevered returns of a plus 20% through investment opportunities with industrial partners working actively with fund investors. Eat Beyond will be looking to discover 15 to 20 key equity-linked investments in a range of 1 to 10 million over the initial 48-month deployment period with a minimum ownership goal of 5%. Eat Beyond Global provides capital for select buy-ins or buyouts along with early-stage growth and expansion opportunities. Eat Beyond Global focuses on select geographical areas such as North America, Europe, Israel, and continuing with key Asian and Latin American countries where opportunities are aligned with their objectives, realizing exits through management buybacks, industry trade sales, and/or public markets. Eat Beyond Global Holdings is trading right now under $2 as of time of this video. Eat Beyond Global Holdings is a fund for the retail investor that takes equity in disruptive companies in the food industry on the ground floor. You guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're gonna do is learn more ways to make money. Now let's look at more of the investor presentation for Eat Beyond Global Holdings. Eat Beyond Global's primary focus is plant-based protein, fermented foods, cultured agriculture, food tech, CPG, and velocity, which is customer packaged goods and how quickly they're sold, and Cell AG, or cellular agriculture, which focuses on the products from cell cultures using a combination of biotechnology, tissue engineering, molecular biology, and synthetic biology to create and design new methods of producing proteins, fats, and tissue which would otherwise come from traditional agriculture. These next couple slides will look at the board members and the management team for Eat Beyond Global Holdings Company. Eat Beyond Global Holdings stock is not available on Robinhood or Webull. So if you'd like to sign up for E-Trade, which is what I use to buy all OTC stocks and other stocks I can't find on these platforms, then I provided a link in the description down below. Don Robinson, who is a former Mars Canada CEO, is the director for Eat Beyond Global Holdings Company. Mr. Robinson has 30 years of management and leadership experience in various consumer goods business. Eat Beyond Global also has two more directors on their board, one being Alexander Somjen and the other being Robert Kang. Mr. Somjen has extensive experience serving as an officer and director of publicly listed and privately held companies. Mr. Kang has been self-employed since April 2015. He was the director of listed issuer services and held other positions with TMX Group from March 1992 to March 2015. Here's a look at the management team for Eat Beyond Global Holdings. It consists of their CEO, Patrick Morris, who is an entrepreneur and capital markets executive experienced in a number of industries, including resource exploration, pharmaceutical cannabis, and finance. Kevin Lee, their controller, has over 15 years of extensive financial management experience with publicly listed traded companies. Jeff Balderson, the CFO, is the president of Harmony Corporate Services Limited and Flow Capital Corporation. The investment committee for Eat Beyond Global Holdings includes Lloyd Lockhart, who has 46 years in grocery retail experience, Alan Linder, who has been in the natural organic business for over 30 years, and Diane Zhang, who is an experienced business executive specializing in strategic planning for sustainable success, growth, and profitability for companies. Next, we're going to take a look at how Eat Beyond Global Holdings chooses their investments. Then we'll take a look at the holdings in their portfolio. You guys, I already opened a position in this company. I'll share that with you also after we take a look at these next few slides. This is the portfolio target distribution for Eat Beyond Global Holdings. We can see they have 40% invested in food tech, 30% invested in CPG, 15% into production, 10% into cellular agriculture, and 5% into exploration. So in their portfolio, they have the Very Good Food Company, which if you guys missed out on this one took off, and they invested in the Very Good Food Company for 25 cents a share. So the Very Good Food Company, for those of you that don't know, is a plant-based food technology company that designs, develops, produces, distributes, and sells a variety of plant-based meat and other food alternatives. They also have a company called Green Space Brands, which develops, markets, and sells organic and natural food products to consumers in Canada. The company provides beef and pork products under Life Choices brand, grass-fed dairy, milk, yogurt, butter, and kefir under the Rolling Meadow brand. Kiwi Pure, a grass-fed butter, snacks under the Central Roast brand, and organic juices and iced tea under the Kiju brand. It also offers food products for infants, toddlers, and small children under the Love Child Organics brand name. Cedar cold-pressed juices, cheese-free products under the Go Veggie brand name, and plant-based cheeses, butters, and spreads under the Riot Eats brand name. Green Space Brands Inc. is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. This next company, Nabati Foods, offers hard-to-find natural plant-based foods for health-conscious individuals looking to indulge in healthier plant-based alternatives without sacrificing taste. With listings in over 300 grocery stores in Canada, including Save On Foods, IGA, Sobeys, Whole Foods Market, Buy Low Foods, as well as an online retailer in the US. Nabati is a fast-growing plant-based brand in high demand. Nabati products are free from several major allergens, making them attractive to several market segments. Turtle Tree Labs is the first biotech company in the world with the ability to create milk from all mammals using their proprietary cell-based methods. They will shape the future of not just how we get dairy milk, but how humans feed their infants. To maximize impact, the team will work with the industry leaders to adopt their sustainable and safe methods to create milk. Turtle Tree Labs is able to have a 98% reduction in carbon footprint, and as a result will help to save the world by replacing dairy cows in the future. Next, we're going to look at a slide showing the value of investing in Eat Beyond Global Holdings. Here's the value added if you invest in Eat Beyond Global Holdings. So we can see under price, it says balancing the premium prices paid by early adopters with the intensity of mainstream retail price points once at scale. Leadership, we see they're recognizing and identifying strengths and areas of growth in leadership and innovation. Under awareness, we see stock shelves and food menus are competitive, crowded spaces. Our choices will be selected for their ability to break through the noise with a compelling story for consumers. Taste, an important factor. Taste is considered as we assess potential investments and measure portfolio progress. We want to love what we invest in. Ease, we all regularly consume food in a range of places, at cafes and restaurants, in school cafeterias, on airplanes, and beyond. We see products that can be distributed quickly and widely across all types of outlets, supporting the wider scope of consumer behavior. Next, we're going to look at their share structure, and then we'll take a look at the position that I opened in Eat Beyond Global Holdings. Here's the share structure for Eat Beyond Global Holdings. We see common shares issued and outstanding of 15,770,710. Special warrants convertible to common shares is 3,362,640. And total issued and outstanding is 19,133,350. For a total issued and outstanding of 19,133,350 shares. We see warrants, they have 12,325,000. Broker warrants, 318,159. Options, we have 1,450,000. RSUs, we have 500,000 for a total issued and outstanding fully diluted for 33,726,509 shares. Okay, you guys, so as promised, I'll show you my starter position in Eat Beyond Global Holdings. I have 3,061 shares so far at the average price of $1.48. I do want to build a much larger position in this company. I think it has great potential in the future. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Eat Beyond Global Holdings. Let me know if you're going to jump in. Let me know if you're going to sit it out, or just let me know what your favorite stock is. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, you guys, hit that thumbs up button for us and help support the channel. That's how this video will get shown to other people on YouTube, and we're a young channel trying to grow, so we could use all the support. Till next time, you guys, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.